What if I tell you that you can make any device which use infrared remote like this one, so no Wi-Fi or any kind of wireless remotes, you can make them remotely accessible and controlled with device like this. I will explain you what is going on. I have a AC unit inverter which I'm using for heating and cooling, and the problem is that it is one of those units which doesn't support Wi-Fi controls of any kind. Even you cannot buy adapter for it, and my newer model can be Wi-Fi controlled, but this one doesn't. So I was like, okay, I need something to make this happen, and this is a solution for it. It is a simple $7 device. I will put a link down below in the description box so you can check it out. It is a Wi-Fi infrared remote control, and it is not just for AC. It is for any device which can be controlled with infrared remotes. Basically, it has infrared diodes 360 degrees, and these are those controls which jump out around the room. So basically you can place this anywhere and still you can control your infrared device. Yes, you're limited per room, so you cannot use this to control, let's say, something in the different room. Basically you need this unit for every room if you want to control infrared device. So I will show you how this works. In the box you get the device, USB cable. So if you are not connecting this directly to PC, you will need some kind of USB charger, any kind, because the power consumption is small. And you get this sticker, so you can stick it on the bottom and stick this on the wall. So it is cool addition. Okay, I plug it in, and now you want to install application Smart Life. It is a free app. After that, you can start a pairing process. It will usually automatically discover it. Type in your Wi-Fi details. It supports only 2.4 gigahertz networks. Now wait for pairing to complete. Okay, pairing is done. Now in the app you have a smart infrared device. Go inside, click add, and now you want to check your device manufacturer. This is a Vox air conditioner. And this is a less known brand. There is probably every possible brand. Now it offers for you to check if the controls are working. It is on. Can control. Okay. "16 degrees, can control. 22, can control." And bam. Yes, it is on, can control. Okay. So I want to switch it on. 24 degrees, hot, high speed. And that's it. I will try now to press off, and it works. Really nice, really cool device. If you want to, the great thing, you can do timed turn on or off. So let's say you have you're not in an apartment, but you're coming, you can turn on or off. Or let's say you want your AC to turn on or off at desired time period during the day. It is a really great device for these kind of things, and you can stick it with this sticker on some less visible place. Let's test it if it can work from this spot here. Yes, even if not directly visible with AC, it can work. So really neat device, and in this case I'm using it with my AC, but basically you can use it with anything that can remotely be controlled with infrared remote, so no Wi-Fi remote or anything like that. I will show you now one really good feature about this is that it can learn infrared controls for devices which doesn't have in the presets, which is really nice. In this case, it has controls for even this Microlab 2.0 system, which have really bad controller, and I will show you why. With it, you really need to point directly at this main speaker. So if you point a little bit right or the left, it won't work. You really need to point, you probably can see right now, you really need to point directly, so a bit right, it won't work. Really bad controller, and I basically never use it, but with this device we can do this. So let's say there is no preset for device which you want to set up. You select this do it yourself, you select audio, and you get instruction. Please point the remote controller to the device within 3 centimeters. So let's say I want to learn it for a power button. Select learn, and now point your remote to the wireless infrared remote device. It say learned successfully. By pressing OK next, it will switch to volume minus button. You click learn and click like this, it will learn. You go OK next, volume plus, click learn, and you can go further and further. You can even set up a custom buttons like this. I want to choose input for that button because it is quite a important button for this speaker system. And for the testing purpose, I will just save the configuration, and voila, you have now your speaker remote controller which works flawlessly. And you have input button which also works without any problem. And let's test volume controls. The device is really not pointing it directly. Really nice. So this concludes my review of this Wi-Fi infrared remote controller. Really nice device, really cheap. Again, there is a link down below in the description box. You can check it out if you're interested. And please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have any question, comment, and until next time, see ya.